Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find your history on your Reddit app. We will go to find this window or know how we can do that to reach to this window. All you have to do, you just go up here on this picture, you will click, then it's going to show for you the window like this, and you just go down and you click here on history here, then it's going to take you to history window here like you say, and in this window you will find all your history you have. I don't have any history here because my account is new account, but if you have, you will find it in this window. Then here on reasons on app, you can so here you can found a profit on download on hidden history in this window. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. And see you in next video.